Everybody has their preferred method of learning. Some people like to read blogs or books, other people like to watch tutorials or courses, but in the past few years Instagram has seen a rise in popularity, and in my opinion this is one of the worst things you can do for your career, and in this video I'm going to explore why. Back in the day, Instagram was just a photo sharing app, created for people to share their moments in life with their followers. But then, when Facebook bought it, it quickly turned into a cash-making machine, promoting all sorts of products and services. To further enhance that, Facebook included a carousel option for you to show more images on your posts. Some people in the motivation and self-help space quickly took this opportunity and started creating longer posts and break them down into smaller content pieces to fit this new format. Quickly we started to see this format taking over Instagram, from beauty influencers to cars, tech, music, and finally, design. At first, these design tips were great because they talked about actionable tips you can do when working with clients, optimizing your time, dealing with finances, but it all took a turn downhill when designers starting to teach design process and tools on Instagram. First issue with this is you are on your phone, and no matter which model you have, the screen is really small. So when they're showing you the tutorial, you don't see the full UI of the software. This just leaves you more confused because you don't know where they clicked or if they skipped a step to get to that result. They also show you before and after, often showing the wireframe and design, but not explaining what they did to achieve that result. It's even worse for websites because the recording is moving left and right and you don't know what they are doing step by step because the recording has been sped up. But one of the absolute worst things about learning design on Instagram is repetition. You have some experienced designer creating a good post, which bunch of beginners copy, add their own flair to it and share it on their own profiles, not knowing what they are talking about. This creates confusion with beginners because they are taking advice from somebody who doesn't know what they are talking about, creating a spiral of bad information and useless content. Of course, it's not all negative, but in my opinion, you should only use Instagram for inspiration, for different design styles, new tools and resources, and interacting with the community, and not learning from it when you're just getting started. Much better option in my opinion is YouTube because you can find designers you can trust. Then if they launch a course or a book, you can buy it with confidence because you know that designer, you like their teaching style, and you really trust the information they are giving you because you're following them for a long time and you can actually see their process and their way of thinking because they create a long form content rather than just some Instagram carousel. So there we go, it's not all bad, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. If you are one of these designers who are just getting started in the industry, don't waste your time on Instagram, rather invest it in YouTube into long form content because you will build a relationship that you can trust long term and you will learn much better and advance much faster in your career. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I upload new videos regularly here all about UI UX design, design tips, freelancing and so much more. So if you're interested in content like that, make sure to subscribe, and until next time, take care.